Hello everyone, and welcome to the Car Crash Test channel. How did the Lexus RZ perform in Euro NCAP crash tests? In the frontal offset test, the passenger compartment stayed stable, providing good protection for the knees and femurs. However, the rear passenger's chest showed weak protection in the full-width barrier test. Side impacts are where the RZ shines, scoring maximum points in the side barrier test. Even in the side pole impact, protection remained decent, with marginal rib protection. The RZ also features a center airbag for occupant-to-occupant protection and automatic braking post-collision. Lexus has clearly prioritized safety in its electric lineup. What's your take? Share in the comments. Stay tuned to our channel for the next crash test results and let us know your thoughts on our video in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep up with the automotive safety.